In this video, you will learn about how to insert line between columns in just a few seconds. First, you need to select the data, go to the layout, select the column and separate it into 3 columns. Now you want to insert the line in between columns. So how you can do that? Again, go to the layout, go to the columns, select more columns, and here you will see that line between. You just need to click that and click OK. And here you can see that a thin line has been inserted in between columns. So another way is that you need to go to the insert, click on the shapes, select the lines, hold the shift key and drag your mouse and right click on the dot, go to the format shape, select the solid line, pick the line color, increase the thickness, select the pattern of the line, is dotted. So if you want to begin your line with arrow, you need to select this option. And here you can see that the line is started with the arrow. So here you can select the arrow size. It's up to you which arrow size you want. So in this way you can insert line in columns in MS Word. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.